Well, there are two things I love in this world. It's burgers and tacos. So when my guy, Chef Chris Valdes, told me he wants to make a mean burger taco, booked him on the spot.
Chef Valdes joins us now. Good to
Hey, welcome to Orlando.
Thank
Welcome
you,
to
bud.
Orlando.
Thanks. Well, you're really like the king of Miami over there with the flavor right there.
That's what I brought for you today, a little taste of Miami.
How would you describe a taste of Miami?
Like me, zesty, a little citrusy, a little garlicky.
A little fiery.
Un poquito de todo. No?
Un poquito de todo, I like
Wait,
it.
before we cook, let's talk about the drinks. What did you make over here?
So we have a little epic
Thank you,
pineapple passion, and I know I'm going to try one too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
No,
we
get
need-
this
we
one.
need-
I got you.
Okay, a little epic pineapple passion. Cheers.
Salud.
Hey,
Cheers to the
spice
entire
it.
Access team.
Yes, to our
Cheers.
team and to you coming here to cook for us.
Oh, that's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
A little passion for a little
I
pineapple.
like that.
Little 43, a little
Ooh.
cherry bitters.
I like
and
it.
then it also has some coconut rum from Florida because, you know, everything's a little better in this area, no?
That's
Absolutely.
delicious.
Really
We love
is.
LA too. So, the Smashburger Tacos, it went viral. Everyone loves it. Great to make with the kids. But, you know, in Miami, more is more, like Talia says, you know? So we're going to mix this up with a little chorizo and ground beef. And then we're going to use corn tortillas. You could also do flour tortillas, but again, this corn tortilla is the way to
Gotta
go.
do corn.
I know.
So if you guys can help me there, we're going to top it off with a pico de gallo. So if you could mix that tomato, onion, and cilantro and jalapeno with a
Perfect.
little lime juice. And if you
Alright.
could help me make the aioli. And
Yeah.
this signature
Make
garlic
that.
aioli
Make
is
that.
what's going to marry it. So that's a little mayo, acidity with the red wine vinegar, cilantro, chili powder, tons of garlic. And
I
then while you're
love
doing that,
garlic.
I'm going to be mixing this right here, which has a little paprika. And the tip here that I have here is very hot griddle.
Okay.
We're going to put the corn tortilla on top, and then we're going to use these biceps. And mine are not as big as,
Yes,
as Mario.
they are. Yes,
but,
they
you know,
are.
And we're going to press
Wow,
down.
what a trip. I've never seen
And this
that.
happens in less than a minute.
Wow. Hey, I know
that.
you got a book announcement happening next month, man. Tell me about that.
So my book celebrates 5 years cooking One with the Kitchen, and it's going to come out in a hardcover book, a little special edition we're doing because everyone says, you know, we want a little hardcover to put on the counter to present. And I never thought I could make it to the dinner table. So,
Right.
you know, but we're
I
going to put.
did. We always
Nice.
So
When you do the meat, do you let it sit? Is there anything overnight, or this is just prepared as is?
This is
in the moment.
This is the beauty of this, that it's instant, you know? So
Yes.
look at this. Are
Look
you
at
guys
that.
ready for this?
All right,
3,
watch this.
2, 1.
Oh!
Instant.
If you find both
So then,
sides right there, okay.
We're going to put a little 4-cheese Mexican blend because, again, more is more. We're going to let that melt, and we end up with something like this. And then we could top this off with a little of that
So it's
pico de
almost like a
gallo.
tostada.
It's like a tostadita, but a tostadita is more crunchy. This one
Yes.
is more like a taco and a burger type of
Got
situation.
it. Got it.
And Chef, what do you think? Like, you posted this, and this thing went nuts on TikTok. Do you think
wow,
it's
look
the
at that.
ease of it, or what do you think?
I think it's easy.
Thank
It's
you.
great to make with the family. It's family friendly. It's cost effective. Here, this is mine right here. It's cost effective, and then I think it's just perfect.
Look how cute these look in the thing.
It's a
And then
trip.
let's do a little taco cheers.
Little taco cheers.
I gotta put
Get
lime
in
in
here,
there
Mario.
right there.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Spicy.
All right, here we go.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Ah,
Oh, my
that's
God.
exactly how I thought it would taste.
Watch this move, guys, and then just do a little of the little
That's
right
a good
here,
one.
Take a big
right
bite.
here.
You've cooked for a lot of big names, Chef. If you had to pick one celebrity to sit down
Oh.
and share these tacos with, who's getting the invite?
Aside from both of you, my idol, Chef Emeril Lagasse, you know, he changed my life when I was 10 years old and I was in a lost place in life and I was flipping through the channels and I see this man and he goes, BAM!
Yeah.
And that moment changed my entire life. So it has to be Chef Emeril.
Oh, wow, that's
He's
awesome.
the GOAT.
So excited for you. Your cookbook, this one you can get right now. The new one's coming out.
Yep.
Thank you so much
Congratulations.
for cooking with us today.
Yeah, big shout out. Chef Chris Valdes' cookbook, One with the Kitchen, 5th year anniversary edition is out
so good.
April 3rd. We'll get in here and these cocktails. We'll be right back. Stay with
By
us.
the way, for all of our team, we got you.
On the next Access Daily.
Don't miss our epic conclusion to our Universal Epic Universe Takeover in Orlando.
With Top Chef Judge Gail Simmons.
Next Access Daily.
Back.